recording. Oh. Oh! That was close to me. She's getting very close to me. It's very hard to keep an eye on her when she's flying, when she almost hits me. Maybe next time I should be on the other side where there's more space. It's gonna take some time again. Did she bite you when you took the food out of your hand, or did she bite you when you took the food out of there?
I never took the food out of there. I don't take the food out of there.
Okay. So you only take the food out of your hand.
And she only bit me when I went like this. But I couldn't, so I went this way.
Quite windy today.
It is.
Was it that windy yesterday?
No.
Because if the trampoline fell down there, then...
Well, the trampoline doesn't weigh that much.
But it's made on metal.
Like that.
Metal? Hollow metal? This isn't gonna damage your phone too much, right? The rain?
Depends on how hard it rains.
If it rains a lot, I'll stop the video and put it under my shirt. looked like a dinosaur. How would she? Oh. Should I stop the video? He's very enjoying that.
The video demonetized if it ever were to be.
Oh, that was the head? The beak looks stuck on her beak. She does not trust you for food. I think YouTube has bigger YouTube people on the YouTubes to worry about.
It has the bot that
That scared me. Is a string attached to her foot? I mean, her claws, because that's
holding on to it.
scared me again. She wants more for prison?